bet if I create Kuramon Padepa. I bet now young girl, I bet now social media now. And NPP people, it's hard to debate. You can't debate us because you people don't come with facts. JDM built a Twabo gas plant and solved doom so. Yet his own energy minister comes to tell you, say, cancel that agreement because this agreement is not good for us. JDM solved doom so. Meanwhile, the can didn't go anywhere. The can was not able to move anywhere until Akufo-Addo came, 2018. Chairman, but we obiantie na sumuye muntie bi yanko.
Sabrede make us free adwuma ko anya na siam constituency. Emri bi atwam no ye beka kire mo say aban no pese utwa kwan a e di free adwuma ko ekosi asikuma efa be kokoben no. Ene nyame adomara after widening the road no sisi a ye level ye fill it up. Adwuma na ekoso no so hwa machine si ha no. Contractor na gina ha no. Very good. Adwuma na ekoso. Sa kwan we NDC fo di hu sika ka kire se wo ma atwa kwan ne dadaada. Amambofo no di hu sika ka kire se wo ma atwa kwan ne dadaada. Enehwe green book no se na nya no kre ene real work reality ene ye face wa ha. Ye da nanado dan kwa Akufo-Addo ene transfer kwasi nyako eye honorable DC o adwuma ko nya na siamase. Ye da MPP fo mo central region ase en chairman Robert Kuti Jr. Yeda maspa sa fie de mama ya tede year of rose no yenso yenye chefon adwuma ko enyan asiam constituency eye 20 kilometers 18 months no mo de sa kwan na wa wo hwa speed o mo de adwuma no kra nya sam ketwa oh nanado yeda ase nanaba omia yeda mo ase chairman Robert Kuti Jr. one Oba Reverend Ranso Kosinyako. Edamu nyina ase. Hwe. Adwuma na yekoso no. Wahu. Adwuma na yekoso no.
Chairman.
Yes sir.
We adwuma ko enyinam. Kwan. Adwuma ko besiase enyinam o se de ade. I know that road. Chairman, oko green book no mu a. Almost your maye.
So moy bibia tronko.
Yes.
Me
say, Oko Green Book no more. Almost your my chairman. For Green Book no bra so bet me road section na my hey Rasta man.
Champion man. Very so. Mr.
One kasa currency. Sa wo go road boys. Any fra man for eba beje. So at you say e ton no srani abasa. Usika no obetna ho.
Of course not.
Would the money stay?
I live in America.
You are spoiling your own currency. And you people try to twist this thing to make it look sad. The president said something bad.
Bro,
you will never hear any
American television their own country or say anything bad.
Never. You will never see them do that.
You will never see anybody.
You will never see America do that. Uncle Bronze, Uncle Tucha got one so and Fanchina say I have you in New York. Japan won't say
we are not patriotic, bro. We your problem. I'm telling you, man. We have a long way to go.
Okay? Fact is fact. Okokan, na chairman, Pokwasi interchange. Chairman, yen na ye ni ho. And Akufo-Addo aban ba ye omuko renegotiate ye eye bibia for say now instead of 3 no 2 tier nya na 3 or 4 tier.
Exactly.
Isn't that it is us? It took 36 months for it to be built. So 36 months no not John Mahama on your president to say hey Mahama project.
I know.
How?
John Mahama de kotubu so person yes argument because he wanted to chop the money.
Like I still don't get it.
As usual, he wanted to chop the money. Me say he does that. He want to negotiate for that money to do something. But then he want to chop the money. That guy he's a criminal, bro. John Mahama, you're a criminal. Guys, you guys should wake up. Wake up, I'm enjoying my life.
Chairman, JDM no. Oh, be papa or the Bama Ghana or America. Yembisano, and then okay. One Casa 4 years is too small to make any change. Isn't that what he said? He said the 4 years is too small to make any change. NDC for Mumabumi, and Yamina Mekan, JDM, the Quatin America. Meaning, Sanawe, Ebiano and Nomakatra, a journal dear.
Seminar can say, oh, John Funo, or your John Funo, because
he is indeed Ojan Funu.
I dream be a knitting. The guy is.
He is indeed Ojan Funu. He know why he said he's Ojan
Funu. Every time this guy come out to speak, be a not so bomb, but then the Jimmy said, when a Kufodu speaker, you can't even make a joke out of it because he always speaks sense. Yes,
sense.
When this guy speaks, I know you didn't tell me, when a Kufodu speaks, Massa, who even put your joke out of it? Now you call this a president. We say, hey, you guys should bring him to Bollywood, boy, where he's from. No, Uncle D president or Ghana.
We are Bollywood for Bram when your papa. Now, when I say, I bow me, I call Bollywood one. Mese Bollywood for Pano, Bollywood boy for say we disappoint you. Now, if you say, no person over and getting drunk or person over.
Hey, see me, what you be almost say after 2024, no, he should kill her up our own kuno. They don't care. Nothing is in a catcher. No, almost up our own kuno.
Chairman, listen me a dear way. Minti bida, me chairman, minti bida say. Ye ni na ayeka. Terminal report any kind. What's it?
See me trebi wa ha. See me can be I don't know.
Oh, Chichabi nyashi. Me dey Chichabi nyashi, mame. But na, chena one na near champon. A champon you go trebi and to can kwasi asem. We no when trebi and can kwasi asem. But chairman, let's get serious. This girl is out there talking about we are shifting the goalpost. Let somebody tell us, say, the reason why we are shifting the goalpost because when JM and his Atamils picked up the government, some more running on, not cement here 9 CD. Chairman, some of this publication now, not cement here 9 CD. Almost not cement at 31 CD in the city and 35 CD at the outskirts.
Yes.
Yes. Or by fan the single digit to your chairman, 9 CD, or buy not cement 9 CD. Oko baby 8 CD, Oban Kraya 8 CD, Oka Bontia 9 CD, 10, 1 yana Kesia 10 CD.
Yeah.
And or the back call, or the back call 35 CD and sand over free wako. Or buy na sabi, Sikado do anaya boy, Kaya Bonaya 9 billion. Oh, free Sunia over 125, 135 billion because when we did the rebates, we saw say a place like Commander Sugar Factory, chairman, they told us it was $32 million. It's a lie. Now you're $35 million by Alan Tremantin, the trade minister, gave us the breakdown. So what you say? The count was 116 billion. Last year, yes, I'm asking.
Yeah.
Chairman, 116 billion. And all this also.